Every part of this video was created by AI, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create it from scratch. You don't need an expensive setup or any other thing. I'm going to show you the secret behind everything I did from scratch. So you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I have just 3 steps on how I was able to create this, and I'm going to review all of them in this video. So if you're a new person to our channel, you are welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you are welcome back. If you are not subscribed, kindly click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube each time we post a valuable video just like this one. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Alright, now so let's get into the step 1. Now for you to be able to create that successful AI video just like that one, you need to get your script ready. So if you don't have your written script already, ChatGPT can help you with that. Now let me review to you how I was able to get mine from ChatGPT. Now alright, so here is the prompt I use. Now one of the secrets I normally use while creating my video is that for you to be able to get a particular result you have in your head, you need to be intentional about your prompting, and everything happens in the prompts. So now here is the simple prompt I told ChatGPT. It was just a prompt where I told ChatGPT to give me a 20 seconds video script about an American army. Now it was able to give me this, and it's a well detailed video script of 20 seconds. Now if I needed more, I would have done that. Now if when you prompting, just give ChatGPT targets and then give him what you want. Don't just say create a military video. It's going to give you something you may not really want, so you need to just give those important points. Maybe you can say a documentary video of an American army. It should be a 1-minute documentary video of an American army or a particular hero, something like that. So to just generate and give you exactly what you want. And then after then, the next important thing you need to do is to split the video script into scenes. Now why the importance of splitting them into scene is for you to be able to get your images and then generate your video. So after I split them into scene, so I just give this simple prompt: split the script into scene. I already know that this script is just 20 seconds and the video wanted to generate was 10 seconds video, so I split them into 2 scenes. If the script was actually longer, I would have simply told ChatGPT to split it on its own, so ChatGPT will be able to know how many scenes will fit the script. So after splitting them into the scene, now the next thing to do is to generate prompts for your image. Now your prompt should be so detailed that it captures every single thing you want in your video. Every single thing. The image, the picture description, that's the way you want your human to be like. You want them dark, you want them tall, you want them short, however you want them. You should be able to explain them into the prompts, and the prompt should be able to be like, especially if you want to generate a realistic human being that looks purely like human. You know that humans are not perfect on their skin. Well, that's one of the mistakes people do. Like they generate images and it looks so smooth. Human skin cannot be that smooth that it doesn't have hair, you get. So that should be included in your prompting. All those things should be included in your prompting. Their kind of vehicles, their kind of dressing, their kind of uniform, or however. So all those things should be taken note of in the prompting. So if you go through the prompt, now if you want me to send you this prompt, just comment in the comment section. I'm going to drop it for you. Want to just comment and comment prompt, and then I'm going to send the prompt to you in the comment section. So that's it. So we were able to get the prompt for the image, and you can see how detailed the prompt is. It's not just a carry here and drop here prompt, it's just a very detailed prompt. So now we got the second one just like this one. So after getting the prompt for the image, the next thing you are going to do, so take note of the steps I use. Take note of the steps I use. And the next thing I did was for me to actually go ahead and generate the image. Now this is one thing I want you to take note of. If you don't put it in your this thing, you may get this same result. Now actually after I finished generating the prompt scripts, one thing I forgot to do was the aspect ratio, which it finally gave me the portrait size, and then this is what I actually added, 9 by 16, which is portrait, which I actually was looking for 16 by 9, so I later now said should change to 16 by 9, and this is it. So aspect ratio is very important when generating your image. So actually this is how we got our image generated. Why I didn't bother to generate the second one was that the both images are almost the same thing, so everything happens in the video script. Now let's get to the video script and let's see how it looks like. Now, one of the secrets I will give you while generating your video script is that don't allow ChatGPT to generate all your video scripts at once. Now, if it is combining, for example, your video script was like 7 scene video, and if it's generating all the 7 scene in just one output, when ChatGPT is sending out what you requested for, if it's sending out all the 7 scene in just that one listing, the prompts, I bet you the prompt will not be as detailed as what you want, because at some point ChatGPT will be out of words to use and complete whatever you requested. So it will just summarize them for you. It will just summarize all of them, just summarize. It will not be that detailed, and there will be no emphasis. So when there is no emphasis, the video AI that you are going to use and generate will not lay emphasis on anything. So it will just be generating random stuff as ChatGPT summarized for the. So first, generate scene by scene. So this is what I meant. First off, you see now only one scene just long like this. So I go ahead to what I did here. When giving my first prompt, I told ChatGPT that it should not generate scene 2 unless I tell him to do so. So after generating scene 1, I just asked ChatGPT that after generating scene 1, it should hold on, and then when I tap 2, it will generate the scene 2. Now if it was up to 10 scene, I would have done like that. When I type 3, it will generate the 3. Type 4, or I will give a prompt that it should generate on its own, that immediately ends the scene 1, is automatically, without me typing, pick up the scene 2, and that's for you. And then the content of the prompt I actually use for the video generation is that one. I actually tell ChatGPT to act as a cinematographer of the entire video, the one that is taking the main video, you get. And then it should be able to get all the camera angle that I don't want to come and edit again with my CapCut. I want him to be able to get everything accurate within the 10 seconds in the first scene. Within the 10 seconds, both the voicing, both the two people that are going to say something, and it should be able to make them say on their own time. When the first person is talking, the second person should only keep quiet and react to what the first person is saying. Now when the second person is saying something, the first person should keep quiet and react to what the second person is saying. Now both of them should not talk at the same time and confuse themselves. Now, and then I also told ChatGPT should be able to let every information be clear. Now if the driver is going to turn the steering, it should be able to capture the driver hand while turning the steering. And if anything happen, like the radio and someone is making an announcement from the radio, the army radio and all those stuff, should be able to capture all those information. Now I explained all those stuff because I didn't want to come and generate them one after the other again, so I wanted everything to be generated at once output. So that is why you are seeing this long script. Okay, so we got that, and we now type the second. Just type 2. See, when I type 2, the second scene came out, and this is what we got. Now let's get to the video generating AI, which we are going to use Flow. So we simply if you simply go to Google and type Flow AI, you are going to see that, and let's do that real quick. All right, so we actually got into Flow. Now I'm using Flow. I'm using Pro accounts here. I'm using Pro accounts. So if you are not using Pro account, they are going to give you 50. If you are a new person, you just join, I think they will give you about 100 credits for free, and then you use it to generate as many this thing you want to just generate. They charge about 20 credits for each video you want to generate, and then once that one finished on daily basis, they are going to be giving you 50 credits. So for me, I'm using a Pro account. Now if you want to get a Pro account for just 7,000, now if you check their channel, you can confirm that it's a lot of money for monthly use for 1000 credits. Now for this one, 7k, I'm going to give you for, and it's going to last for about 18 months. So every month they are going to be giving you 1000 credits every month. So if you are interested, just indicate in the comment section, and I'm going to send you the link, or you can check the description of this video to chat me up on WhatsApp. Once you get to Flow, for some of us that that don't know how to use Flow, you simply tap on this new project. Once you have finished all the login stuff, you tap on this new project and it's going to open a new project. And once it opens, this place that you are seeing things will be empty. Nothing will be there, just that I've generated something. That's why you are seeing things. So the only thing that you'll be seeing will be this plus icon down here, and this plus icon, and all those other things here. Now to generate video, just tap on this plus icon and then just come to here, this place. Once you just tap there, it's going to take you to your gallery, where you can see, taking you to your gallery where you can select your image, you get. So once you just select, it's going to upload it here, you get. So it's going to upload the image here, and then once it uploads, come to this place. You are seeing this place. Once you come to this place, then you select your aspect ratio. For this one that we generated, landscape, simply selected this landscape. If you are generating portrait, select portrait, and then you have your time. You can generate 8 seconds, you can generate 6 seconds, and you can generate 4 seconds. So I simply select 10 seconds because I wanted 10 seconds. So you can do time of generation, like how many samples do you want at once. For example, if you wanted to bring out two for comparison sake, you can generate, but me, I like to generate one because even with two you are burning out a lot of credits, you get. So after the setting, we just go ahead and put in the prompt. Now copy the video prompt for scene 1, and then after putting the image, just tap here, upload the image. Just tap here, for example, put the image for scene 1. For example, let me say this is the image for scene 1. This is the image for scene 1. So after putting, just tap here, paste the prompt that we copied, and then tap on this place. So once you tap on this place, it's going to send, and they are going to count. Once it's reached 100, it will generate the video for you. So this is the video we actually generated. Let me play one of them. I think this is the first one.
Convoy Alpha, you have 30 seconds. Move now.
You see that I didn't edit anything.
Sir, we're not leaving them behind.
You see that I didn't delete anything. I didn't edit anything on CapCut. Everything was just here.
That wasn't an order. Convoy Alpha, you have...
Plus the sound and everything. So even the second one, the same thing.
Contact! 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 They're surrounding us! Then give me a better order.
Okay. So everything was done here. Everything was just in that prompt. So guys, if that video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share it to others that want to learn how to create this kind of videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and then see you in our next video.